Hi everyone, my name is Christy and today I'm going to show you what I just bought from Ulta with the gift card that I got for Christmas. Oh, such a great gift for someone to give me for Christmas. I, of course, love Ulta and I'm really excited about the new products that I picked up. This is a little preview into the products that will soon be featured on my YouTube channel as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I also get very strategic with my Ulta purchases. I wait until there's a really good gift with purchase beauty break, and that is what I did with this order. I just saw the beauty break and I was like, I can't resist. I have to place my order now. All right, let's see what's, oh my gosh. This is my beauty break gift with purchase. Look at the size of this, and it's a really cute box. It's got the pink and like little products on it. So cute. So let's open up this first. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of like a little subscription box unboxing. So this is the Colourpop Goodie Box. Oh my gosh, this really is like a subscription box unboxing. This is so fun. Everything is so cute in here. So I have the Colourpop Lippy pencil, and this is in the shade Cool BFF. So to get this Ulta Beauty Break gift with purchase, you have to spend, I think it's usually like $50 during a certain time frame. So that's what I did. Ooh, interesting shade. Excited to see how that's going to look on me. It also came with the Fourth Ray Beauty Turmeric Face Milk. Have I tried out Fourth Ray Beauty skincare yet? I don't think I have. So I'm excited about this. This sounds so nice. Turmeric Face Milk. Ooh, cute packaging. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's like sparkly. That makes me want to use it even more. These are full-size products too. Like, this is an amazing beauty break. Sometimes it's like the tiniest little samples, but seriously, full-size products in here. Wow, I hope other people took advantage of this too. Next, I got the Fourth Ray Beauty Avocado Face Milk. Oh my gosh. Replenishing Moisture Booster. I definitely need that. My skin is getting so dry right now. It's so cold here. It also came with the Colourpop Luxe Gloss in the shade Lust. Oh my gosh. See, Colourpop is a brand that I want to try out more products from. And they have so many products. And they're always coming out with even more. So I'm really excited to be trying these out. Like, look at this beautiful full-size product, which I bet looks great with that lip liner. But I love this shade. It's sparkly. Oh my gosh. And it came with this here. Is this a Color Shock shadow? I love those. Yes, Super Shock Shadow is what they're called. This is the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Basic Instinct. It's like a giraffe print. Oh, and this looks like an awesome shade that I'll be able to get a lot of use out of. This brown shimmer. I am so excited. I love the Super Shock Shadow formulas. Wow, seriously an amazing free gift with purchase. And then the products that I actually purchased. I picked up the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. Ooh, and this actually has sunscreen, SPF 25. So I'm pretty sure this is product, maybe that Tarte loves. So I just had it on my list of products that I wanted to pick up, and once I was placing the Ulta order, I was like, I am finally gonna get it. I know I'm very late to the game of trying this out, but I'm so excited to. And then I also picked up the L'Oreal Air Volume Mascara. I also love trying out mascaras. I'm very picky, and I have heard great things about this, and it's one that I've been wanting to try out for a while. And then I was searching the new makeup page on Ulta, and I saw this, the Tarte Shape Tape Cloud Coverage Broad Spectrum SPF 15 Sunscreen. So I love the Tarte Shape Tape line, and this just sounded so intriguing. I hadn't heard anything about this cloud coverage. It says it's medium to buildable coverage. natural finish that looks like skin. That's what I always want from my foundations. And Cloud 9 Complex is a blend of hyaluronic acid, squalane, snow mushroom, avocado, prickly pear, aloe, licorice, vitamin E, and castor oil. That sounds great. It reminds me a lot of my favorite concealer from Yensa. It's like the Super 8 concealer. I think it has some of the similar ingredients in it, but that just looks incredible on the skin. So hopefully this will be similar to that. It says bouncy cloud-like texture, smooths and blurs. So I am just dying to try this out. It sounds so neat. Oh my gosh, and I got this little gift with purchase from L'Oreal, the Air Volume Mega Mascara, turn up the volume, a little, I think this is an AirPods holder. I do not have AirPods. I want AirPods, but now I have this adorable holder that's like tie-dyed and has little lashes on it. This is so cute. But wow, I got, I think, more free stuff than the stuff that I actually purchased. But I'm so excited about this. I'm so glad this finally arrived. I feel like Ulta orders usually ship out so quickly, or maybe it's just like where I'm located, but I'm so excited to try these products out. If you've tried these products before, please let me know your thoughts on them in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.